Tesla is planning a major shift in its vehicle lineup. The company is winding down production of the Model S and Model X, its long-running premium sedan and SUV. These two models have been staples of Tesla's lineup since the early days. The Model S helped prove electric cars could be fast, luxurious, and practical, while the Model X brought distinctive doors and spacious SUV utility. But after years of slow sales relative to Tesla's more affordable Model 3 and Model Y, the company is reportedly moving on. Instead of updating the older platforms again, Tesla appears to be focusing on newer vehicles and architectures, including the next-generation platform that's expected to underpin future models, potentially including a more affordable mass-market car. This doesn't all happen overnight. Production isn't stopping immediately, but factories are being retooled, and Tesla's internal plans show a clear shift away from these legacy models in favor of vehicles that are cheaper to build and sell at higher volume. This feels like the end of an era for Tesla. The Model S and Model X were halo cars. They defined the brand and showed what EVs could do. But the market has changed. Electric cars are mainstream now, and Tesla's growth engine has been the more affordable end of the lineup. By retiring the premium models and steering investment toward future platforms and more accessible vehicles, Tesla is doubling down on scale and long-term competitiveness. For fans of the S and X, it's a bittersweet shift, but for the company's broader strategy, it's a logical pivot toward where demand and profitability currently sit.